What if everything we thought we knew about the universe was just the beginning? Scientists have recently discovered clues pointing to a potential fifth force of nature, a game-changer that could unlock the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. These enigmatic phenomena make up over 95% of the universe, yet remain a cosmic puzzle. Today, we'll dive deep into this groundbreaking discovery and explore how this fifth force could rewrite the laws of physics. Ready? Let's unravel the secrets of the universe. To truly grasp the importance of a potential fifth force, let's first recap the four fundamental forces we already know: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Together, these forces govern every interaction in the universe, from holding atoms together to keeping planets in orbit. Gravity, for instance, pulls us toward Earth, while electromagnetism powers everything from light to your smartphone. The strong and weak nuclear forces operate on subatomic levels, ensuring atoms remain stable. But here's the kicker: these forces don't fully explain dark matter or dark energy, the invisible components of the universe that outweigh visible matter. Enter the need for something more. Dark matter and dark energy are the universe's great mysteries. Scientists believe dark matter acts like a cosmic glue, holding galaxies together, while dark energy is driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. But here's the problem: no one has ever seen dark matter or dark energy directly. We only know they exist because of their gravitational effects and their influence on the universe's growth. The math simply doesn't add up without them. And despite years of research, the particles or forces behind these phenomena remain elusive. This has led scientists to wonder: could there be a hidden force influencing how dark matter and dark energy behave? Now, here's where it gets exciting. Recent experiments have hinted at the existence of a fifth force, a force unlike any of the four we already know. This discovery comes from anomalies in particle physics experiments, where researchers observed interactions that couldn't be explained by the standard model of physics. One groundbreaking study, for example, detected an unexplained bump in energy levels during subatomic collisions. This anomaly could be evidence of a new particle or force at work. Scientists are now racing to confirm these findings, using powerful particle accelerators and advanced simulations. If proven, the fifth force could offer the missing link to understanding dark matter and dark energy. A confirmed fifth force wouldn't just expand the standard model of physics, it would revolutionize it. For one, it could bridge the gap between Einstein's theory of general relativity, which explains gravity, and quantum mechanics, which governs particles on a microscopic scale. More importantly, this force could interact directly with dark matter, giving us the tools to finally detect and study it. Imagine being able to map the universe's hidden framework or even harness dark energy to power futuristic technologies. The possibilities are endless. But such a discovery also raises new questions: where does this force fit into the grand scheme of the cosmos, and could there be more than five? The search for the fifth force is still in its early stages, but momentum is building. Global collaborations like CERN and Fermilab are spearheading experiments to test these theories further. Meanwhile, space telescopes are providing unprecedented data about dark matter and dark energy's influence on galaxies. Theoretical physicists are also hard at work, crafting new models that integrate this potential force into our understanding of the universe. It's a thrilling time for science, with each discovery bringing us closer to unlocking the universe's ultimate secrets. But one thing is clear: the fifth force, if confirmed, would mark a new era in physics and astronomy. The search for hidden forces isn't new. Scientists have long speculated that our understanding of the universe is incomplete. In the early 20th century, Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity reshaped physics, but even Einstein believed there were elements of the universe left unexplained. Over the decades, experimental anomalies have pointed to the possibility of forces beyond the four known ones. For example, during the 1980s, scientists studying neutrinos, those elusive particles passing through us every second, noticed behavior that hinted at something beyond existing theories. These historical breadcrumbs have led us to today's cutting-edge research into a potential fifth force. One of the most intriguing pieces of evidence for the fifth force comes from studies on atomic nuclei. In 2016, a group of Hungarian scientists observed unusual photon emissions in their experiments. They hypothesized that these emissions could point to a previously unknown particle, protophobic X boson. This particle, if confirmed, could be the messenger of the fifth force. Follow-up experiments in labs worldwide are working to verify these results, and while not conclusive yet, they've reignited global excitement about uncovering this mysterious force. If this fifth force exists, it might finally explain the behavior of dark matter. Dark matter doesn't interact with light, making it invisible to traditional detection methods. But if the fifth force can interact with dark matter, it opens up a new way to observe this elusive substance. Scientists are particularly interested in how the fifth force could explain gravitational effects that dark matter is believed to cause. For example, galaxies rotate in ways that can't be explained by visible matter alone. This force could offer the key to solving these cosmic mysteries. Dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerated expansion, might also be influenced by this fifth force. Unlike gravity, which pulls objects together, dark energy pushes them apart, but also gives scientists tools to measure its properties and effects more precisely. In theoretical physics, the fifth force is being explored through concepts like supersymmetry and string theory. These frameworks propose that the universe operates with additional dimensions and forces beyond the four we currently understand. Some models suggest that the fifth force might operate at a microscopic level, only becoming noticeable under specific conditions. Others believe it could be a long-range force, similar to gravity, but much weaker. Either way, these models are helping scientists design experiments to test the limits of our current energy fluctuations. The complexity of these setups means that even small errors could lead to false positives. Despite these hurdles, scientists remain optimistic that advancements in technology will soon yield concrete results. If the fifth force is confirmed, it will have profound implications for cosmology, the study of the universe's origin, evolution, and structure. For instance, models of the Big Bang may need to be revised to account for this force. The fifth force could have played a role in shaping the early universe, influencing the formation of galaxies, stars, and even the cosmic microwave background radiation. This would mark a major shift in how we understand the universe's history. While the fifth force might sound like pure science fiction, its discovery could eventually have real-world applications. For example, understanding dark energy could lead to new ways of harnessing energy, potentially revolutionizing industries. Similarly, insights into dark matter and the fifth force could advance materials science, quantum computing, and even space travel. The ripple effects of such a discovery could touch every aspect of our daily lives. None of this research would be possible without cutting-edge technology. Particle accelerators like CERN's Large Hadron Collider are crucial for generating the high-energy conditions needed to observe potential fifth force interactions. Meanwhile, space-based observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope are providing invaluable data about the universe's structure. By combining ground-based and space-based observations, scientists are building a comprehensive picture of how the fifth force might operate. This collaboration is essential, as no single lab or country has the resources to tackle such a monumental challenge alone. By pooling expertise and technology, humanity is taking giant leaps toward unlocking the universe's secrets. Looking ahead, future experiments will focus on confirming and characterizing the fifth force. One promising approach involves studying rare particle interactions at higher levels of precision. For instance, the muon G2 experiment at Fermilab has already hinted at discrepancies in how muons, fundamental particles, behave compared to predictions. These anomalies could be linked to the fifth force. Additionally, next-generation particle accelerators like the Future Circular Collider are expected to provide even more detailed data, possibly uncovering direct evidence of this new force. The Standard Model of physics is one of the most successful scientific theories, explaining how fundamental particles and forces interact. However, it has its limits. For example, it doesn't account for dark matter, dark energy, or gravity. If the fifth force is real, it could provide the missing piece to extend or even replace the standard model. This would be a monumental shift, reshaping our understanding of the universe's most basic building blocks. As discoveries about the fifth force gain momentum, they've also captured the public's imagination. Headlines about new physics and breaking the laws of nature may sound dramatic, but they highlight how deeply these discoveries could change our worldview. Scientists are working hard to communicate their findings in a way that balances excitement with accuracy. It's a delicate dance to ensure the public understands the significance without overselling what's still a work in progress. One of the most exciting implications of the fifth force is its potential connection to the multiverse, the idea that our universe is just one of many. Some theories suggest the fifth force could operate differently in other universes or even be the mechanism through which parallel universes interact. While it's still highly speculative, exploring these possibilities could open up entirely new realms of science, pushing the boundaries of what we can imagine. If a fifth force exists, it begs the question, could there be even more forces of nature waiting to be discovered? Some physicists speculate that our understanding of forces might only scratch the surface. Advanced experiments could reveal an entire spectrum of hidden forces, each with its own unique role in shaping the cosmos. These discoveries would completely transform our understanding of physics, offering a deeper glimpse into the fabric of reality. Beyond science, the discovery of a fifth force raises profound philosophical questions. What does it mean for humanity's place in the universe if we uncover a hidden layer of reality? This force could challenge long-held assumptions about the nature of existence, prompting new discussions in philosophy and even spirituality. After all, every great scientific breakthrough reshapes how we think about our connection to the cosmos. Artificial intelligence is playing a growing role in the search for the fifth force. Advanced algorithms are helping scientists analyze massive datasets from experiments, identifying patterns and programs, science documentaries, and public lectures are sparking curiosity, ensuring that the future of science is in capable hands. Who knows? The person who finally proves the existence of the fifth force might be a young student watching this video today. Scientists and policymakers must weigh the benefits of groundbreaking discoveries against the resources they consume. Striking a balance ensures that the pursuit of knowledge remains sustainable and ethical for future generations. In a way, the universe itself is the ultimate laboratory. Every galaxy, star, and particle interaction is a clue waiting to be deciphered. The potential discovery of a fifth force highlights how much we still have to learn and reminds us that science is a never-ending journey. With each discovery, we come closer to understanding the elegant, interconnected web of forces that govern our existence. And who knows what other secrets the cosmos holds? The discovery of a fifth force could reshape how we view the legacy of Albert Einstein. His theories of relativity revolutionized physics, but even he acknowledged that our understanding of the universe was incomplete. If the fifth force helps bridge the gap between general relativity and quantum mechanics, it could fulfill Einstein's dream of a unified theory. It's a testament to how science continually builds on the work of the giants who came before us, with each generation adding its piece to the puzzle. One exciting possibility is that the fifth force could be mediated by a completely new type of particle. Scientists are already exploring candidates like the hypothetical dark photon, which might interact with dark matter. If such particles are confirmed, they could expand the standard model and provide direct evidence of the fifth force. These discoveries could also pave the way for entirely new areas of particle physics, offering deeper insights into how matter and energy behave. Quantum physics plays a central role in the search for the fifth force. At the quantum level, particles don't behave like anything we see in our everyday world, they can exist in multiple states and even interact over vast distances. Theories about the fifth force often rely on quantum mechanics to explain how this force could operate on both microscopic and cosmic scales. Understanding these quantum connections could reveal how the fifth force fits into the broader framework of physics. Gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by massive cosmic events, have opened up a new frontier in astronomy. Some scientists believe the fifth force could subtly influence these waves, leaving detectable signatures. By analyzing data from observatories like LIGO and Virgo, researchers hope to uncover evidence of how this force interacts with gravity. If successful, this approach could provide a completely new way of detecting the fifth force. The discovery of a fifth force could revolutionize space exploration. If this force interacts with dark energy, it might offer insights into harnessing energy sources beyond our current capabilities. This could lead to breakthroughs in propulsion systems, allowing us to explore distant stars and galaxies more efficiently. It's a thrilling thought that understanding the fifth force could one day help humanity become a truly interstellar civilization. Gravity is one of the most familiar forces, but it's also one of the least understood. If the fifth force interacts with gravity, it could explain why gravity is so much weaker than the other forces. This discovery might also lead to new theories about how gravity works on cosmic scales, potentially solving puzzles like the hierarchy problem in physics. It's a reminder that even the most familiar forces can hold secrets. One of the biggest mysteries in cosmology is the universe's missing mass. Observations show that galaxies should have far more mass than we can see. If the fifth force is connected to dark matter, it could explain this missing mass by revealing how dark matter interacts with visible matter. Solving this mystery would revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos, providing a more complete picture of how the universe works. Black holes are some of the most extreme environments in the universe, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Some scientists believe these environments might be ideal for studying the fifth force. By observing how matter behaves near black holes, researchers could uncover clues about this force's existence. This could also shed light on how black holes grow and interact with their surroundings, deepening our understanding of these mysterious cosmic objects. Beyond physics, the discovery of a fifth force could have transformative effects on technology. Understanding this force might lead to new materials, improved quantum computing systems, or even revolutionary energy sources. Imagine being able to harness the power of dark energy for clean, limitless energy. While it sounds like science fiction now, these breakthroughs could be within reach if the fifth force is confirmed. Space-based observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Telescope are crucial for studying the universe's largest structures. These telescopes might be able to detect subtle effects of the fifth force on dark matter and dark energy. By mapping the cosmos in greater detail, they'll provide critical data to test the latest theories about this mysterious force. The search for the fifth force blurs the line between science and philosophy. It raises profound questions about the nature of reality and the limits of human knowledge. If the fifth force exists, it could change how we view the universe, not just as a physical system but as a deeper, more interconnected whole. This discovery would prompt new discussions about our place in the cosmos. Body Segment 37, How long until we know for sure? Voiceover, with experiments ongoing and data pouring in, scientists are cautiously optimistic about finding definitive evidence of the fifth force within the next decade. The pace of discovery depends on advances in technology, funding, and international collaboration. But one thing is clear, the search is more active and promising than ever.
Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.